Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing great. So today I'm going to be doing some market review and some forex analysis, technical analysis for you guys, being Thursday. So I'll be going through my watch list, the different pairs I'm following, and I'm going to give you guys my bias for today and what I expect the market to do so that I can frame up some trading signals. First, I'll start by looking at the Forex calendar. As a Forex trader, everything what you do at the start of every day, you have to look at the calendar to know where or what time the volatilities are going to be pumped into the market. So I'll go to the Forex factory website. So you always need to set this to your own local time. So, and I can see where we have some high impact news today. We have some high impact news on Euro. We have about this is like 8:24 a.m. So in a few minutes the Euro pair is going to be trending, and we have on 9:30 on GBP, and then later in New York we have 2:45 flash manufacturing PI. There's a lot of fundamentals today, but I think the one that's going to move the market more, it's the one on 2:45. That's the New York section. So, but then again, let me just go through my bias, what I expect the market to do. All right, so what I expect the market to do, I'll start with DXY, dollar index. So DXY is like the base currency, that's dollar. So it affects all the major currencies. And these days, back then, there are times when correlation works, whereby DXY could be bullish and then EURUSD is going to be bearish. Yeah, it works for DXY and EURUSD, but for GBP/USD or other maybe USD CAD, the market has been innovative for a while. The market is dynamic, so that correlation doesn't really work well on GBP/USD and USD CAD or maybe other base currency or other major currency pairs. So, but yeah, we just have to follow the market and follow proper price action. So I'll start with the daily chart, or let me start with the monthly chart on DXY. So on the monthly chart on DXY, what are we seeing? Okay, so the monthly chart here, we can see a serious bullish candle. The market has been buying all throughout the month of October on DXY. But I feel this market is actually on the range. If you look very closely on DXY, we have this high. The market couldn't break the low. The market got here, couldn't break the high. Came down, it couldn't break the low. So I think it's running up to this high. Probably it's going to break it, or it's going to start selling again in the future. So having said that, I would like to see the range. Let me use the weekly chart to see the major range of this DXY. So if you look at the weekly chart here, you can see the market is ranging from here down to this point, and now the market is kind of like above 50%. So the market is above 50% of the range. So it's kind of like on the sell side, but not really on the sell side. It's not really that high. But if you look at the daily charts, we have the reference point we can look at around this area. This is the key level. I've marked that area. So yes, the market is seriously bullish and it has not been giving proper higher highs and higher lows pattern. But since we have a reference point here, we could likely get some form of sellers, some form of retracement, maybe for a day or two, and then the market could continue buying anyone. So if the market is currently at the reference point and on daily charts, what do? I have to look down to the lower time frames to maybe refine the trade, or to see if I'm going to get more confirmations if the market is going to sell. All right. So looking at the 4-hour chart, we're seeing some form of higher high, higher low pattern, and wow, the market just turned around. Is it 8:30? Oh, I think it's already 8:30 and the market is trending. Wow, look at EURUSD. The market just turned around. You can see that news was active on Euro. It was active on euro and dollar. Let me see GBP/USD. Is it active on GBP/USD? Okay, it's not really that active on GBP/USD. The market is still moving fair enough. Still moving. Oh, we're still moving, still running. So yeah, I will still go back. And what I was expecting, actually, I was expecting this market. You can see the pattern of lower low, lower high on the 1-hour chart, but I was expecting to maybe sell around this region. I would like to sell around this region here, or maybe around this area. I wanted the market to come up here, and then I would like to sell it, but it's already turned around. Probably in New York, it might come back to the region and then sell. But just for today, my bias should be bearish on DXY, and then vice versa on EURUSD is going to be bullish. But EURUSD is already bullish. It has taken out some lows, and it has tapped into this point of interest, and it's already bullish on euro. I think it's greatly influenced by the news. And then again, if you look at EURUSD too, it has been giving lower lows and lower highs. So here we could expect a lower high, which is this retracement for the day, and then the market could still continue the downtrend if sellers are still interested, or buyers could maybe take it up from there. So that's how I look at the market, using this normal market structure, looking out for confirmations and all that. But don't forget, if you want to learn more, do want to contact me, where you're going to be in a live class, and I'm going to teach you all the secrets about proper technical analysis, and so you don't mix things up or you don't gamble your way. Now let's talk about gold. Okay, gold has been doing great things this period. Gold has been making all-time highs upon all-time highs upon all-time highs. Currently, the all-time high here is around 2,758. So that's the price of gold all-time high. He actually made that yesterday, and then it sold off. So a lot of attention is currently on gold. Some persons don't know if gold is going to sell or if it's going to buy, but I still think this gold is likely going to buy up to this level, or probably to make all-time high. Or if it comes to that area, if we see the kind of price action maybe on the lower time frame, if it's giving signs to sell, then it might sell a little. But if it's not giving any sign, that means gold could still be bullish. I won't be surprised. Gold could still be bullish. Yesterday, after making the high, it just reversed down. Some persons might fall for the trick of lower low, lower high, but then I'm not sure. Gold is likely going to buy at least to this level before maybe expanding higher or so. So that's my bias for gold. But for today, I'm not trading gold. I don't have any clear signal on gold. I'm just going to watch the price action. I'm just going to watch the price action on gold. Like I said, anything around this region is a good area to be looking out for sales on gold. But you need a very, very good confirmation to do that. You need very, very good confirmation to do that. Yeah, so that's that for gold. And this is a weekly chart on gold. Higher highs, higher lows. That's been really buying. That's been buying seriously. And on the monthly chart too, serious uptrend. So if you're going against this order flow, you can see it's actually a bullish order flow, giving proper consistent higher highs and higher lows. The gold is really bullish. So I think I've talked a little on GBP/USD. GBP/USD is still kind of like moving with EURUSD, lower low, lower high pattern. Today, the buyers have already entering the market. This is just opening of London section, and the market is already trending. And let's see how far the market is going to go. Maybe if it comes to this region, I'm going to look out for maybe any pullback. So until then, I'm going to be watching the market. And then another pair on my watch list is the GBP/AUD. That's the pounds AUD. The market has been ranging. I don't have any clear signal on this pair. It has been ranging for a while. And if I use the FIB tool to check, you can see it's around 50%. When the market is around 50%, it's kind of like at the middle point of the range. You don't know if it's going to buy, you don't know if it's going to sell. So very common knowledge. You want to allow the markets go off the 50%, maybe around this region, and you want to look out for sells. And you want the market to go down below the 50%, and then you want to look out for buys. So that's how you frame ideal high probability buy and sell setups. So, but some traders are just going to be trading every day. They don't know where the exact range or the exact region the market is currently trading at. It's very, very important. It's key you determine the market range before going into the market. Okay, so I'm still not impressed with this movement on DXY and EU. I'm still not impressed. The market hasn't really gotten to my point of interest, so I'm not going to trade. But I'm not going to be surprised if the market still trade up to this region before selling. Like I said, my bias for today on DXY is bearish, but I'm just going to be watching it very closely to see any extra movement. So that's that. I'm going to do more another review at the end of today or tomorrow to update you guys on the price action, especially on gold. I'm really following up on gold and GU, a likely sell, maybe down to this region. Let me check out the range on GU rather. So this buying from here to here, okay, it's currently below 50%. That's fine. And then dollar index and EURUSD. So these are my watch list, and these are the pairs I'm looking at for the month of October. And moving forward to the month of November, I'm going to be giving you guys more feedback and more market review. So do want to hit the subscribe button, drop a comment. If you have any question you want to ask, and my contact details are below. If you want to join the Forex Mentorship Program. Until next time, I wish you all good luck with trading. Peace. Bye for now.